Hi there, my name's Pam. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you being here. If you hear some paper moving in the background, that's because my cat is on the table here where I am filming, and he is playing with the packaging from this box. What this is my Ipsy Extra. Okay, so what we have here is the Ipsy Extra. The Ipsy Extra is $32 a month plus $1.99 shipping, and you get 5 full-size items. Ipsy picks 2 for you, and you get to pick 3 for yourself. Now, Ipsy also has something called the Ipsy Ultimate, and it is a quarterly box. It is $65, and with that one, you get 8 full-size items. And I think Ipsy picks 3, and you get to pick 5, and it's supposed to be higher-end products. And that is, like I said, $65. Now, the way Ipsy does it, if you already have a subscription for Ipsy Extra, what they do is they just upgrade it quarterly to the Ultimate. Now, personally, I was interested in some other products, so I wanted an Extra and an Ultimate. So I went ahead and subscribed for 1 month to get the Ipsy Extra. And this is the second time I've done that now. So I have two accounts, but I don't get products from both accounts each month. So in every Ipsy box, they give you a flyer that kind of talks about what's going on. Now this talks about the Ipsy Ultimate, and you know how you can get 8 products worth up to $400. This month, one thing everybody got the Rodeo Collagen Booster Drops. That's going to be in the box. I am kind of excited to be able to try that. Without further ado, let's get into this box. Everything is open. I had already unboxed everything and even swatched stuff, and I realized I did the playback on the video, and you could not hear me because I didn't have my microphone turned on. I'm so smart. So here we go again. So BCBG fragrance. I could not find retail anywhere, only on like secondhand seller sites. It looks like it goes for about $20. It's 20 ounces of perfume. Top notes are lychee, accord, grapefruit. Mid notes here are green apple, white lily, and cashmere rose. And then base notes are vanilla woods, tobacco, and sheer musk. It's okay. It's not my favorite. It's light. It smells okay. It's like a good everyday fragrance. I'm surprised they called it vanilla. I mean, it does have vanilla in it, but definitely the top notes come through very much more than the vanilla. To me, it smells very much like lychee, which is fine. And it's nice. I personally, and I really did want to smell this perfume. I was very intrigued by it, and it's nice. I'm not super disappointed, but I'm not super excited about it either. I do have some other fragrances that I've gotten recently, so I may end up gifting this to a friend. Okay, so this next item, it's by Reina Rebelde. I'm assuming. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. This is a Latina brand. It says it's made in Indonesia, and it is a black eyeliner. It's kind of a cool eyeliner pencil. Marker, really. It's an eyeliner marker. I've already tried it once, so I know say it's pretty wet, you know, when it first goes on because it is a marker, and you can do a thinner line or push down for a fatter line. So that's nice. I will probably be using this. I don't do a whole lot of cat eyes, but I'm trying to get a little bit more adventurous and more skilled with my makeup application, so maybe I will. Like I said, this is the second video I've done. I already know I'm going to do a spoiler. It's still wet right now. You can see the sheen. If I touch that, it's going to smear all over the place. But if you just give it a little bit of time, it does dry down really nicely, and then it stays put. So this is a nice item if you got it in your box, and it's either $18 or $19. The next item is called Jessamina, and it is a lip shader. And I believe, yeah, this one's also made in Indonesia. Yeah, this one's a cruelty-free. This brand's, excuse me, cruelty-free. And that's the color Baby Rose. Okay, so Jessamina lip shader. What I think is cute is it has this little brush on the end, little baby toothbrush, so you can smear it out. The end reminds me, if you have any Buxom lip liner, it's shaped about the same way. And I think this is a pretty color. Oh, I guess you can't see. Can you tell I'm from the Midwest? Oh, 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 sorry about that. I live in Florida now, but I'm from the Midwest. Okay, next item up. This item here, the slip shader, was also, it's either 18 or 19. The next item is House Labs, Lady Gaga. I love House Labs. Every item I've tried so far from House Labs, except for one mascara, I really, really, really liked. And I really like the color products. Now, this item is $34 retail. And I already have one of these, but it's a completely different color. So I was really happy to be able to get this. And isn't that pretty? And you can use it as a either on your lips or cheeks, or both if you want to coordinate. And I just think that's so pretty. Just smear it out here. You can see, and you can build it up. It will build up a little bit. So I don't know if you can see that. My lighting's not the best here. Let me move that light in. The next item is LMS. If you've never tried LMS, I highly recommend it. I love everything I've ever tried by LMS. Some of their items, they do have a certain fragrance to them. So if you're real sensitive to fragrance, watch the LMS label. They do have some non-fragrance things, but a lot of them do have a lot of fragrance. So it might not be a good product for you. But if you're not super sensitive to stuff like that, LMS is a luxury brand. It's out of the UK, and it feels luxe. It smells luxe. It's lovely. This is toner, and it goes for $40 retail. And I already cracked it open and smelled it, and it smells like the typical LMS smell, if you're familiar. So that was my box, and what Ipsy picked for me. Ipsy picked this for me, and Ipsy picked the eyeliner for me. They picked the perfume and the eyeliner. And then what I picked was the lip liner, the House Labs, and the LMS. So that was my box for the 5 items. Okay, the next item is this Dew of the Gods Filla Nitro. This is $40 on the Dew of the Gods website. We might have a visitor here soon. I now have 2 cats on this table. Hobbs is up here, and so is Walter. So this is it's just an under eye cream, but it has caffeine in it and retinol and multiple peptides. So it sounds great. Everything I've tried by Dew of the Gods, I've really enjoyed. I don't know why it comes in this tin, but it does. That tin's kind of cool, so I think I'll keep that. I was excited to pick this up. It wasn't extra, it was an add-on, so it cost more than the base box, but not much. And I don't know. I saw a screenshot, and then I had deleted it, and it said that I picked this up for $3.50. I don't think I picked it, and then it was a sample size. I don't think I picked this up for $3.50, and it's not a sample size. It is a full size. I think it was in the $12 section, but I'm not sure. Regardless, it was way less than $40. Okay, so the last thing is Ipsy surprised me with a little gift. They gave me this. It's a eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauty, and it's called Whimsical Bloom. It looks like this palette is no longer available on the Ace Beauty site. It's sold out, but it looks like it went for about $38, and it is beautiful. I've already played in it because, like I said, I already filmed this once and messed up and deleted it, or not deleted it. Well, I did delete it, but not on purpose because there was no sound. Oh my gosh. Okay, I had to take a second to recollect myself. So I think that each row makes a nice eye look. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch everything on this row. So there's Ethereal. Pretty good pigmented. These shimmers are so smooth and beautiful. A lot of glitter in them. I'll probably use a glitter glue primer when I use these, but it is beautiful. And then I'll try this last. Now that doesn't give much color at all. It's about my color of my skin tone, but that would make a real pretty, it's almost like an Eastery type look. Throw in the pink. How cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try this row. I love purple. So there's that purple. We'll swatch it over here. Oh, that's so beautiful. That is gorgeous. I absolutely love that. Love that. Okay. Look at that shimmer. That's gorgeous, guys. Okay, we'll do one more. We'll do that blue shimmer. Okay, here's the blue shimmer. Oh, look at that. That's stunning. Yay. How nice for Ipsy to send me that. I think they might have sent it because, you know, like I said, I don't have this subscription all the time. I only re-up it when it's time for the quarterly thing. And sometimes Ipsy will give you a free gift when you order a box for the first time. Although it was an old account, you know, I had just frozen it, so I don't know. But I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth. I'm happy to have that. So you can see these eyeliners dry down really nice. Now the lip liner, yeah, when I tested the lip liner before, it was rubbing off. The lip liner, I don't know if it's going to have any staying power. Lip liner might not be a good one for longevity. It is pretty though. And the House Labs balm, you know, you have to build it up. It's on there, but those eyeshadows are very pretty. Okay, I thank you very much for tuning in. I know you've got a lot of places you can spend your time. Thank you for stopping by, and let me know, did you get an Ipsy Extra? If you did, what did you get? Do you have any of these products? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Let me know what you think. Just overall, I would appreciate it, and I will catch you next time. Thank you so much for being here. Before you go, can you please hit the like button and maybe just throw a couple hearts or something down in the comments? I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.